Now, proceed tayo with non-probability sampling. So, kapag sinabing non-probability sampling, each member of the population do not have a known chance of being included in the sample. Instead, the data are gathered based on my personal judgment. So, hindi to common na ginagamit kasi it provides errors. So, kapag ito ang ginamit, tapos experimental, matik na yan. Hindi tatanggapin yan ng panel. Or kung kayo naman kayo magde-defend. Kasi puro error na yan. Matik na yan. Pero, may mga pagkakataong siya ang the best ginagamit. Halimbawa, kagaya nito, convenient sampling. So, this is used because of the convenience it offers to the researcher. Halimbawa, ano yung pinaka-convenient sa akin? Yun yung gagamitin kong respondent. Mga kaklasiko, bakit pa ako mag-interview ng iba? Pwede namang mga kaklasiko. Convenient yun. Next, quota sampling. Ito yung sa mga makikita nyo sa mga mall na magpapapirma-pirma na lang. Basta ma-reach ko yung quota, yung number, yung target na sample size, okay na ako doon. That's quota sampling. So, balikan ko yung medyo kapareha siya ng stratified sampling. Ayan, stratified random sampling. Kaya lang, ang difference, hindi mo binibigyan ng equal chance yung ibang tao. Again, kapag stratified random sampling, anong sabi? Per strand, di ba? Kinocompute mo pa yung 13, 15, 28, 28, 28. Na yan, ilo-lottery mo pa. Ayan. Pero kapag quota sampling, yung 13 na yon, halimbawa lang sa homobonus, yung 13 friends ko, basta maka 13 ako sa homobonus, basta maka 15 ako sa Christopher, okay na, that's quota sampling. Next, we have purposive sampling. So, choosing the respondents on the basis of predetermined criteria set by the researcher. So, purposive sampling ang ginagamit. Halimbawa, magte-test ka ng brand ng toothpaste. So, syempre, ang kukunin mo opinion is sa dentist kasi sila yung pinaka-reliable. So, ang purpose mo is yung may mga knowledge na tungkol sa ngipin para kung malaman kung effective ba yung product. So, ang purpose mo, ang predetermined criteria mo is yun. Yung sa dentist. Kasi toothpaste. Now, those are the process on how you will choose the respondents. On the next video are the data gathering techniques. So, paano ba natin kinukuha yung data mismo? So, una, we have the direct or interview method na ang advantage is kapag may nakakalitong sagot si respondents, madali mo siyang sagutin. Itanong ulit. Pero, disadvantage niya, costly and time-consuming. Okay? So, kapag pangalawa is the indirect or questionnaire method. So, ito yun. Magpapasurvey lang po kami. Ito yung bibigyan mo si questionnaire. Advantage nito, it saves time and money. Tsaka pwede ka mag-interview ng marami ng mabilisan. Disadvantage, retrieval. Minsan yung iba ayaw na ibalik yung sagot nila. Masyado na nilang minahal. So, questionnaire, skip natin yan. All choice, post yun na lang. Registration method, number 3. Registration method is governed by law. Ibig sabihin, yung data na yon, hindi pwedeng yung isang tao wala nun. Halimbawa, birth certificate, ang daming data na nandun. Saan ka pinanganak, anong taon ka pinanganak, anong gender, sinong magulang. Data yon. Governed by law kasi lahat merong birth certificate. Hindi pwedeng wala. Advantage, siya yung pinaka-reliable. Disadvantage, data are limited to what are listed in the documents. So, hindi, meron ka mga gusto mong tanungin na wala doon. Number 4 is the experimental method. Kapag sinabi natin experimental method, this method of gathering data is used to find out cause and effect relationship. So, mostly ginagamit sa science. So, advantage, you can go beyond the plain description. Marami kang pwede i-describe. Disadvantage, lots of external threat to internal and external validity. Ibig sabihin, gaano ka valid? Sigurado ka ba tama ba yan? O maraming factors na pwedeng maka-apekto. Maraming variable kang pwede mong i-consider kapag experimental method. Pero ito ay mostly gagamitin ng mga magka-capstone project. Now, let's proceed with presentation of data. Siyempre, wala kanina. How do you select the sample size? How do you select the respondents, yung sample? How will you get the data? Tapos na. Ngayon, paano mo naman ipe-present si data? Di ba, na-collect, na-organize, ipe-present na natin ngayon. First, you can do a textual form where data are presented in paragraph or in sentences. This includes the enumeration of important characteristics. You emphasize the most significant features and you highlight the most striking attributes of the set data. Ibig sabihin, what is the most stunning, yun yung dapat ma-present sa textual form. Pangalawa, we also have tabular form. So, a tabular form is a more effective device of presenting the data. It comes with stem and leaf plots, frequency distribution table, and then contingency table. So, kanong itsura niyan, ito sila. So, kapag stem and leaf plots, ito yon. Ito yung stem, ito yung leaf. So, kapag tinignan ko si data, I have 10, 13, and 16. I have data 21, 26, 27, 28. I have 35, 35, 36, and so on. Next, a tabular form. So, itatali mo lang, gagawa ka nito, na sa susunod tayo ang gagawa niyan, yung range or yung intervals na meron dito. So, itatali mo lang siya. 0 to 10, ilan? Titignan mo lang, 5, magtatantos ka lang. O, dito yan, isa, 65, dito, isa, hanggang sa makuha mo yung total number of people. So, this is tabular form. Last is contingency table. Pag sinabi natin contingency table, ito yung may data ka, left to right, top to bottom. Okay? So, you have the variables, the two different variables, the gender, and the hand preference. So, pag gender, may female, may male. Hand preference, may left, may right. Sa female, may kita mo, ng total number of female is 120. Out of 120, may 12 na left-handed, 108 ang right-handed. Pagdating sa male, may 24 male out of 180 na left-handed, may 156 out of 180 na right-handed. Pag tinignan mo pababa, there is 36 left-handed people out of 300 and 264 right-handed person out of 300. So, this is a contingency table. Presentation of data, graphical and pictorial form. So, kapag graphical and pictorial, meron tayong line graph, bar graph, pie chart, pictograph, and statistical maps. So, it is the most effective device of presenting a data, especially kapag descriptive statistics. So, pag line graph, you have frequency polygon, we have ogive, we have, sa bar graph, we have histogram. So, ano nga ba itsura niyan? Kapag line graph, ito lang siya, makita mo lang yung line, yung special number yung sa gitna. Kapag frequency polygon, ito, para siyang polygon, sa gitna ng histogram. Kung ano yung mga nasa gitna ng histogram, yun yung lalagyan mo ng dot. Tapos, i-connect the dot mo lang siya. Kapag ogive, ito tandaan natin, it is the less than and greater than ogive depending on the cumulative frequency na pag-aaralan natin later on na merong pataas at merong pababa na ogive. Pag ogive, laging dalawa. So, bar graph and then histogram. Tandaan natin kapag bar graph, may space. Kapag histogram, walang space kasi meron siyang timeline. Okay? So, si histogram, kapag nilagyan mo ng, pag hinanap mo kung ano yung nasa center, ayan. Pag dugtong-dugtungin mo kung ano yung nasa center, you have frequency polygon. Okay? Pie chart, yung pinaka nakikita natin common, kung saan kailangan ipakita natin kung ano yung may pinakamataas na percentage. Wag pong gagawin na ito 0.56% lang tapos mas malaki pa yung space niya sa 36.98% and so on. So ito yung proper way of showing a pie chart. Pictograph, kung saan gumagamit tayo ng isang picture tapos naka-legend siya na isang ganitong drawing ay 3 pencils. So, si John merong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 3, 18 pencils. 6, 9. Si Mike may 12 and so on. Last is a statistical map kung saan gumagamit tayo ng color sa different maps na meron. So, kung saan ito, this is the census of the mean travel time to work. Kung gaano katagal bumabiyahe ang isang tao. 16 minutes o may pinakamabilis dito sa North Dakota and South Dakota. Pinakamabagal, ito yung may mga maroon na yan sa Georgia, New York, California. And then you have these different legends. So, that's all for lesson 1 for statistics and probability. So, if you miss out something, you carefully play the video again. Pwede mo siyang i-slow. Pwede mo siyang i-replay ng i-replay. And see you on our classes. If you have questions, kindly list it down para pagdating ng meeting, meron tayong maitatanong. Thank you.